Restoration is brought to you by
Hisense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Malta Guinness.
Tasty Tom new seasoning powder. Flavor and taste are far.
Use Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix.
Thank you, Mom, for letting me know I'm special and for making me my special Indomie.
Thank you, Mommy.
Hello, and thank you for tuning into Restoration with Stacy. We're brought to you by Kind Courtesy Hisense. Everyday prizes for everyday people. Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. Tasty Tom seasoning. A very big thank you to Malta Guinness. Yes, Malta Guinness. That is my Malta Guinness and your Malta Guinness. And Malta Guinness, as I always tell you, is proudly made in Ghana. That means that we're helping boost Ghana's economy. That means that we're helping people get employed. So we are adding to the social capital of this country. So wherever you are, don't say I'm going for a drink. Say I'm going for a drink that helps build Ghana. And I want you to know that anytime you're buying your Malta Guinness, always look out for the proudly made in Ghana logo, because we have some people who are trying to be Malta Guinness but are not Malta Guinness. So anytime you're buying your Malta Guinness, ensure that you want your proudly made in Ghana logo on it. And always remember, Malta Guinness is super rich in B vitamins. So anytime you take your Malta Guinness, you're not just taking a drink, but you are actually giving your body nutrients that will help you go on with your day in vitality and in strength. A very big thank you to Indomie. Yes, Indomie, we're saying a very big thank you to you. And yes, when I talk about Indomie, you should know that our mini-me is out there. And you should know that Indomie is actually the only meal that you can cook and not need a special chef or anybody to give you a special recipe, because it's easy on your pocket and it's also easy to make. And it does not actually take time. I mean, you can have friends come over and go like, we're hungry. And in minutes, your Indomie is ready and you're out there to serve your friends. So if you've not actually tasted Indomie, please go out there and grab yourself Indomie, because it's not only nutritious, it's also easy on your pocket. A big thank you to my glam team, ABS Lux Line, for my outfit. Hair Duties located in Osu near Photo Club for my hair. Tinach Beauty for my makeup. And Stanners Beauty on the Boundary Road, East Legon. And to the Sousa Catering Services, thank you for always ensuring my team and I.
The World Cup is more than just football. It's emotion, passion, and unforgettable shared moments. Hisense TV at the experience every move, with stunning visuals, immersive sound, and smooth motion. And as a watch and swap, a bema feeling it to set the whole stadium wow, which in a front row football match. From compact 32-inch TVs to massive 116-inch displays and premium laser TVs ranging from 100 to 150 inches. Hisense offers the perfect screen size for every fan and every space. Bigger screens and richer visuals make every moment more exciting with sleek frameless designs, Dolby Vision technology, seamless connectivity, and smart features. Hisense Television delivers the ultimate football viewing experience, keeping you connected before, during, and after every match. This World Cup season, don't just watch, experience it with Hisense. This World Cup, Hisense is offering juicy packages from MTN and DSTV for every TV you purchase. Hisense, everyday prizes for everyday people.
Tasty Tom tomato mix. Ofa kakra. Na ye bebre. Fa kakra yan kwani stew dodo a ope.
Tasty Tom dear, it will surely give you value for money. Steak, a little is enough to get our desired quantity of stew and soup, and it doesn't color your meat or chicken.
Tasty Tom tomato mix inti. Me handwriting and sisada. Then na ne dene dia sa net into customers bar never.
I don't compromise on the quality of my food. Use Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. This advert is FDA approved.
Every child is so unique.
You like no other.
Outstanding in every way.
It's me like no other.
know that every child on the planet has their own unique fingerprint like no other?
You like no other. I can play the drums. I'm talented. It's me like no other. I can sing. I can dance. You like no other.
As well as their own unique talents and abilities.
I can cook. I can paint. You like no other. Indomie. It's you like no other.
So every day, in whatever you do, remember you are special in your own way, like no other.
Thank you, Mom, for letting me know I'm special and for making me my special Indomie.
Thank you, Mommy. I love my Indomie.
This advert is FDA approved.
Hey, Junior, you're the shitter.
Remember shit that your mama made. For home church.
Hey, Charlie, you bring home Joe. Nah, no bring home. So just a stop.
To school with Kenke. It's here, come talk to them.
Enjoy homemade taste of Shito, always with Didi Shito.
Stop taking all the shit on now.
Carefully selected ingredients, no preservatives, no colorants. Didi Shito, if you do need. This advert is FDA approved.
Yes, baby.
Honey, men wash you away. Men to take away our back.
He's eating out again. Nancy, me trying tasting kuyi.
Tasty
Tom. Add the new seasoning powders about chicken, stew, jollof, shrimp, beef. The way it enhances the natural aroma. Tasty Tom, dear. I trust them. And there is no staining of fish, meat, or chicken. Wait, let me go just sharp. Made me also.
Tasty Tom seasoning powder. Ooh.
New aroma.
New taste.
New taste from Tasty Tom new seasoning powder.
Maybe
I'm not for anyway. Tasty Tom new seasoning powder. Flavor and taste are fun.
are special like Indomie.
It's me like no other.
Did you know that every child on the planet has their own unique fingerprint like no other?
You like no other.
I can play the drums. I'm talented. It's me like no other. I can sing. I can dance.
You like no other.
As well as their own unique talents and abilities.
I can cook. I can paint.
You like no other.
Indomie.
It's you like no other.
So every day, in whatever you do, remember you are special in your own way, like no other.
Thank you, Mom, for letting me know I'm special and for making me my special Indomie.
Thank you, Mommy. I love my Indomie.
This advert is FDA approved.
Wait, your tomato mix. Wouldn't so one on pass. Still loud, what tomato flavor no? No color changing like traffic lights. Devia cocoa, come on.
Tasty Tom dear, it will surely give you value for money. The steak and little is enough to get our desired quantity of stew and soup.
Taste not so dear. On point. Flavor new.
And it doesn't color your meat or chicken. I don't compromise on the quality of my food. Use Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. This advert is FDA approved.
When you are born a star, no matter what you do, no matter where you are, that light will shine when the time is right. My guest for today is a young man who grew up in Brekum, a young man who just loved a sport and thought it was just a hobby. But when the time was right, his light was so bright that he did not only represent his country, Ghana, but also went on to make great exploits across the world. My guest for today is former Black Stars player Emmanuel Ajimai Bedu, EAB. Hey, Minya! International. And to say,
Na me free say kwanti Mr. we have come krum din kan.
Hey, you into me fa say kwa nka ho. And then pacho say kwa fo nka me yaje mo fans. Into me mo fans asen ama mo wae.
Me da si.
Minya, it's to say.
Me ho ye pa.
Ye shi ya cho.
Ache.
Ba so nim so odeka.
Hey.
E ha ya bontin. Pne so. So nim so odeka.
I heard true.
Enti just swear so odeka.
Ma ji atum.
Aha, wa ji atum. Pe so obi ehun so odemeka.
Bebre.
Babe, oh. One time I was no. You back cano, a witch, you had a hair true. But how have you been? You watch it?
Been very good. BB, are you okay? Jai born or pitch and a sodiano, that's so a word manum, and tea, it took quite kakra, African Cup on Kunya Koyaj Mama Calf, Morocco.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, and me by and sooner. GFA, appointed me management member of local blasters, and I'm a management member of Adriana Stars, and I'm saying international relationship manager. And that's who gave no science scout through Emma agency be outside the country. And I'm set an ultimate number be back, but that's who
once a lover of football, always a lover of football.
Says Uncle Wachra as well. Omusuya nyema bebre say it me bo omonti achede na nyankopon de ache wono o de ba fie na o si wagya bo o de kotena fie a am say ba ha adwenti say it me di bo a enkola no so omodi ache o mo ba
no ma membisa ima unyi e wo hefa
yo me da sibiem ye wo me wo sekwa e wo Kai district Bono region ebia me ka papa bia am say amafo de be hu kro no ye ya papa general said in Ketia, Nikrumo, Mze Hona, me free.
Okay.
And you Hona, my wofo in free. Hona me call primary school, co school in and sana, through inter schools, and the teacher need be home in number family bar, Brekum, Timmy free sequa.
Do ufri sekwa and a co break.
Brekum.
Now inter schools no, say, also then inter schools, I there we had the Jew and you. Into all for free, sekwa co brekum, not. How kakra say it be fans kakra how be tama ko breku
me de nen ha me na nkofo fili se metima bobo no nti na bo no so na me pese me bo but that time no ache where e ka ache pa ma wofo no na omo ngin because of baby na me free no nti no nka omo pese me go school no because omo feel say kwata be na obenya chance abedu break mu say obi fama kudu professional sunyai kura wo Kumasi na edu Accra azana obetu kwan kura no em say I need to agree with them on that aspect, because na baby am wo no emwedi nti nkrofo na ja no mama no nko betima abo na sebio school mu so na men monsa nti no mpese me concentrate no so nti through engagements na mbeshia me manager e friend no Ibrahim Dramani badre ko me friend no Ora Afa nti won na bae but satam no ne manage John Pencil
okay
satam na John Pencil obre ko masnas no nti obaye be one mama be kasa ya na me mama otimi convince me mama na me move ba brekum by brekum ne se kwa ye be 20-15 minutes drive
nti obufu kra betu na anti akufi
but na me na mpese me free se kwa because now I want to have a career in football nti na mpese me free se kwa nti oyi me free ono me de just that me nua ne sa na mama abre me body na moto gari no body abre me say de be ya meeting dia cushion me ho kakra nti that is how all started.
Unyi was kwa na abrabo ne tse na kakra wo fie ana na kra
oh me nka say kra ohwe sa time no say the chronicity na ohwe me ma me ne me papa baby a etini omo otimi aboa ne manyina ye 11 na emienu na afrim
kakra nka moto Black Stars
no be o football team kra reserve place na yeni ba nyame amfasa ma yelusu mienu nti sa time no o awofo otima hwe o sisters na o brothers mo makutraining college say omo abo homodin nti na me nka say egufam kra but I want to be a man by myself na maso edin kakra because ombeze oku school no so pese obobo no nti edu time bia ombe mia kakra say the be ya obe concentrate but nti e wa bia boot nia marketing kiti bi pese opa omo si the be onton ma omo pese omo di ma o concentrate with school no which I understand them at that time kakra na obeti ma nti na enye mroso but na enda from so sa
Odru brekum ehwa asetena no na etesen
se bio me manager na mebo ne din no wadi bo achiache nti onim se de oni footballers esitena nti me baaye no na emu enhyada enye din ma me ba na ne team na ye third division nti me free me baaye na first year na me qualify team no ba second division nti hono na me modem no ekosro na brekum Arsenal Premier League team ana ombe fa me nti ema emu ego kakra ma me
na omo be fa o sa time no na sika kakra wo
says that time there from third division to Premier League
there
em say ni obenya no ebetimi akusun ebetimi asuso mu ma wo de aye ne ma bi na me manager na say na me kan na onim ball nsuso no na oma boot ni ama nketenkete bi a be ma metimi aka brekum no na oma me lake nti winning matches more unya say ne ka ho at least eye kakra obetim di aye ne opese ode eye kakra
time ben na unya wo break you free brekum eba national platform so
okay menya break no abra the first year no me call brekum Arsenal na emu edin ma me because from third division straight to Premier League experience na edin ma me ntimi call loan for only 6 months
okay
ntimi we loan no na me ka che me manager say o ma me ntra for 1 year many omo have pre-season many omo ntra na me mbo league na me experience in the league na me say the city and not here say ntimi sign different contract with brekum Arsenal
okay
1 year season ntimi no many omo call pre-season ye bo friendly matches and sana league na kasa ebe sha say nti ye ma me experience nti ye bo league no ye awie na omo frame me national team under 17 nti ye call camp ye no omo na wo ho a time omo be call World Cup no e na omo drop me ba omo drop me mama maboma mu me say call back e na me say call yire me ho a na omo frame me under 20 bm say ye call tournament bi wo South Africa ye friend South tournament nti ba na me striker na me nya midfielder
wow
yes nti ye call tournament na ye striker ku prai e na omo de me call to ɛna metimi bɔ kakra nti me bɔ back no na I say edin no epeja ho ana kotokofo se omo pɛ me saa time no se de kotoko ne ha se omo pɛ wa
say na asa
edin no ebe peja pa nti na me hwɛ me contemplate se me nko ha sa na kotoko saa time no so na team bi so wo tema efe mo tema youth na omo so se omo pɛ me nti se football se de
my hot cake
my be hot cake because na me bo loan e obri kuma santi me loan nasa nti me be share hash for e wa kra nti me ni omo kasa wie na omo me kasa me nko na mfa tema
na oni tema youth for so ko wie
tema youth for ko kasa say me very I deals na me
also a businessman
me wie no so na omo me kasa me fa oye nkobrekum na me kotwa oye no ko kuma ase na
where did your money now why your business
and I'm in kotokofo kasa nti me call back to brekum no and I'm manager bisa me say hefa na me pese me call and I'm sure me nya kotoko na nke beboa ba ono so no kotoko supporter
okay
nti na kotokofo no ko frɛ brekum asnafo so omo pɛ me no munim say mabolo na wi ma revert back to me former club no Berlin FC no nti no omo asnafo no omo twitwi and akotoko omo circle ni bi supported circle ni bi brekum no mo frɛ kotofo no ka kyerɛ mo sɛ boy no onye brekum as na player bi mu
waje ne fa hodi
nti sɛ mo ne deli a ni manager no o kotoko supporter nti yɛmfa ne ma no ɛma mo ɛna mo gye mi manager no ma nti mo frɛ no ɛna ɔne ɔmo kasae ɛna ɔfrɛ bi sam na msio mɛdɛ mpɛsɛ mekɔ but no so de be mo loan ɛna kotokofo no so mo mpe loan nti mo ha na former blasters a team manager obuko free nyame fa ne kransie no ye kotoko mpan phone bi no frame ka chere me so opeso de me ba kotoko na am se me de my ready nti oni me Berlin FC phone nkasa ti omo frɛ ya na omo ti ase loan na me de ba kotoko nti ho na am se gateway no ebie ya edin no e ba stropa
say ye ka kotoko any heartsa it is any wakona Manchester na Barca na PSG I mean it's a big deal say kasa kotoko ne hearts match stadium ma peso ukogina stadium ya show kotoko jersey say kwa boy where the kotoko echi unim kotoko obi no on kasa onim kotoko pe football kra kotoko ne hearts nko ade in Ghana you should know them now ukogina pitch so na wo share jersey na ye de wudin egu achire Obama kotoko. O feel say.
Well, that na me sign a contract ni we no na I say me move ba Kumasi no. E na me hu say challenges na me be kum no. Eso. Nti I say me a lot of extra trainings because team na okuru no o Samuel Nkum no Eric Becoin Harrison Nafo Francis Akwafo a lot of quality players. Jordan Opokunum ti o kono I say o prepare hu ye.
Yes, I let some bench.
Yes, I bet bench ate. Kotoko so dey after 3-4 matches ya beto wa o din za no. Utra bench PM say supporters no they get a bit agitated na pressure and started. But I was able to settle very well. Fortunately or unfortunately, Satan and maybe Kotoko no na edino because of national team na edina peja kama. Nti na me bought almost all the national teams.
Oh.
Na me won the 20. Me were national in the 23. Na omobe first edition of local blasters no omo deba out. And now omo frame me blaster and kasa some friendly matches via ni ehye sule ni esi enu achi nkakra. Nti amana me shade no abeye very ube free national way team camp way na wako ha. Nti me sane 1 year me bo 2 matches. Okotoko.
2 pay.
2 House of Folk and Tema Youth for Accra.
Hey, Grofona no more pay on. Omo shada na.
Omo shada omunim say o player no national teams be bra it's a plus for the club no. I just say multi players papa. Nti me won the 20 camp. Kotoko be one match me ba be bought 1 match. No more for national in the 23. Obekwa ko di 2 weeks 3 weeks. Obeba no more for local blaster. Obekwa ba almost national in the 20 more camp for African Cup of Nations. Obefru aba and a London league in so I'm say 9 months spend here, but not 10 months spend. And the national team matches be why I could break. One was Hania Mania anti me bo House of Folk. And at Tema Youth. House of Folk, we lost 2-1 at Kumasi Sports Stadium. na ye be say tema youth 3-1 ayi ye free ho na manko Kumasi bi na ye call under 20 camp for, preparation for African Cup of Nations U20 no and san ye call World Cup no ye ko buy am contract ya san wo kotoko
is why this guy no anya adwuma ne nyina omuji bia na nyi ya
na so meti no tell me no omunya incentives nti sa that here
where this guy no free
me bo matches yo me training
but you were there when you had to be there.
So me ko ye no me
tipa se kotoko dey o kotoko ai jeje so pa
me drive ko me ko train na me tofu a oto wi a ajima ko train o ko ye be settle ma why nti
you had a good time.
I had a good time just that time Nisha nti no dey be am ka say na I had unfinished business with Kotoko.
No, okay.
Yeah.
Now, free a whole any opportunity, a call a African Cup, a movie, a call World Cup. Let's get to African Cup. Put this up because so at least yeah. But when you had to do the World Cup, how much of a big deal was it for you?
Well, I think said team na ye raise you know is a team now I was very optimistic. Nature make say omo campo ye che.
Okay.
Ye nim ye ho. Sa under 17 na me can say near work camp no me free mo. Omo call World Cup on the buy. Ye coach Slastete o promote omo 5 e dey by under 20. Sadiq Adams, Abeku Kwansa, Ismailate, Ransford Osain, and Ebuka home. Nti omo by under 20, omo by number 2 me Samuel Inkum. Meninkum so near Wakotoko dada. Rabiu Mohammed, Jonathan Mensah, and also na ye no so work camp wache. Nti odi we beka ho no, the same coach na odi omo ko under 17 no. Ono no sign by under 20. Nti ama cohesion, understanding.
There was synergy.
Exactly. Ewo ho. Nti ye ko wafu ewo Nigeria ene ekogie the same team. Ye free wafu bae no, ena omo de 100 dey you ebeka ho. Yamfa bebre ameka ho team no na still ya ensen ye. Na cohesion ni understanding. Culture, demand, bibia no ye nim dada. Nti omo de no bae no ene ekọ Rwanda ene ekogie under 20 no 2009. Ye je bae no ye beko World Cup no yamfa obi amfram.
Team na
and yes I call camp and they call World Cup until me kata mani a mini baby income ejina Rabiu Jibo na oni baby edi abefa Jonathan oni a defender no Danielado omo ne ball from Nigeria to Africa to World Cup mini Rabiu ya ball matches more than 100 friendly matches kan ho a Ransford ni edi a omo so de ball ani mu ho sa dede nti enim ye ho yie nti ebeko World Cup na minim say
obi kwa na wotia mu kra oni ne o pa kire
say inkum kwa minim tama inkum kwa obebra ontimi mabak ya mesha ho ama no minim Rabiu ye bo mekosa na edu saten we minim say mekwa ne ho be kire no menko bi na mini na agina nti ye tie ho ase yie nti ebeko World Cup na minim say team e kura ye no see free group stages edu quarter finals ya it's possible say e bit ma World Cup no
Modu World Cup now. I know say World Cup and any feelings ewo ho. Nti me take a break. Ye ba ni abedi sa World Cup no mo enkomo. We'll be right back after the break.
The World Cup is more than just football. It's emotion, passion, and unforgettable shared moments. Hisense TV at the experience evermore. With stunning visuals, immersive sound, and smooth motion. And as a ocean soar, a bema feeling it to say the whole stadium wow, which in a front row football match. From compact 32-inch TVs to massive 116-inch displays and premium laser TVs ranging from 100 to 150 inches. Hisense offers the perfect screen size for every fan and every space. Bigger screens and richer visuals make every moment more exciting with sleek frameless designs, Dolby Vision technology, seamless connectivity, and smart features. Hisense Television delivers the ultimate football viewing experience, keeping you connected before, during, and after every match. This World Cup season, don't just watch, experience it with Hisense. This World Cup, Hisense is offering juicy packages from MTN and DSTV for every TV you purchase. Hisense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Tasty Tom tomato mix. Ofa kakra. Na ye bebre. Fa kakra yan kwani stew dodwa ope.
Tasty Tom dear, it will surely give you value for money. Steak and little is enough to get our desired quantity of stew and soup, and it doesn't color your meat or chicken.
Tasty Tom tomato mix into writing and sada. Into customers bar never.
I don't compromise on the quality of my food. Use Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. This advert is FDA approved.
Tasty Tom tomato mix. Ofa kakra. Na ye bebre. Fa kakra yan kwani stew dodwa ope.
Tasty Tom dear, it will surely give you value for money. Steak and little is enough to get our desired quantity of stew and soup, and it doesn't color your meat or chicken.
Tasty Tom tomato mix into writing and sada. Into customers bar never.
I don't compromise on the quality of my food. Use Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. This advert is FDA approved.
Every child is so unique.
You like no other.
Outstanding in every way.
It's me like no other.
So anytime you walk and play,
you like no other.
You are special like Indomie.
It's me like no other.
Did you know that every child on the planet has their own unique fingerprint like no other?
You like no other. I can play the drums. I'm talented. It's me like no other. I can sing. I can dance. You like no other.
As well as their own unique talents and abilities.
I can cook. I can paint. You like no other. Indomie. It's you like no other.
So every day, in whatever you do, remember you are special in your own way, like no other.
Thank you, Mom, for letting me know I'm special and for making me my special Indomie.
Thank you, Mommy. I love my Indomie.
This advert is FDA approved.
Hey, Junior, you did this shit, sir.
Remember shit that your mama made. For home church.
Hey, Charlie, you bring home Joe. Nah, no bring home. So just a stop.
To school with Kenke. It's here, come chop to the
Enjoy homemade taste of Shito, always with Didi Shito.
Stop taking all the shit on now.
Carefully selected ingredients, no preservatives, no colorants. Didi Shito, if you do need. This advert is FDA approved.
Hey, my best customers in here. Yes, baby.
Honey, men wash you why? Men to take away abba.
He's eating out again. Nancy, me trying tasting kuyi. Nyakra. Mami ma new fella.
Tasty Tom seasoning powder.
Tasty Tom. Add the new seasoning powders about chicken, stew, jollof, shrimp, beef, udiye biani anete. And more natural aroma. Shamankasa. The way it enhances the natural aroma. It no be small.
So see new seasoning powder if it Tasty Tom there. I trust them.
And there is no staining of fish, meat, or chicken. Delicious meals all the time. Why do you make it just stop? Me need those.
Tasty Tom seasoning powder.
New aroma.
New taste.
This is a new taste from Tasty Tom new seasoning powder.
Where's that the end?
Maybe I'm not for anyway.
Tasty Tom new seasoning powder. Flavor and taste. This advert is FDA approved.
Wait, your tomato mix. Wouldn't so one on pass. Still loud. What tomato flavor no? No color changing like traffic lights. They cocoa come on.
Tasty Tom dear, it will surely give you value for money. Steak and little is enough to get our desired quantity of stew and soup.
Taste no so dear. On point. Flavor near.
And it doesn't color your meat or chicken. I don't compromise on the quality of my food. Use Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. This advert is FDA approved.
Castro again, oh, featuring Baby Jet, EBK, what do this BTO?
Teflon Suit, intentional luxury. It's worth the hype.
We are back on, no, that's we are back on, no. We are back on, no, that's we are back on, no. Asamoah, Baby Jet, Yana Mama Huofe, break the first. No repeat, no surrender. Omo Feteke, and say Yakuma, Linda, Barbara, Monica, Jessica, Pamela, Sarah, Gift in a diner, Mudina, Como, Muyogo, Ow, Asamoah Udo.
Baby, baby, you they make my mind just scatter.
Ghana girl, come on, move off it. I did that, then for you get it. Baby Jessie, Sana, Asamoah Sana.
Now I'm taking over, make no wonder why. My baby so fly, make no ask me why. Cause she keep me going. Oh, what more the magic? My love, my love, my love, my love, my love. Send ya muye ne sana ya fo.
Yes, baby.
Honey, men wash you why me to take away aba.
He's eating out again. Nancy, me trying tasting kuyi. Tasty Tom. Add the new seasoning powders about chicken, stew, jollof, shrimp, beef. The way it enhances the natural aroma.
Tasty Tom, dear. I trust them.
And there is no staining of fish, meat, or chicken. Why didn't go just sharp? Me need that also.
Tasty Tom seasoning powder. Ooh.
New aroma.
New taste.
New taste from Tasty Tom new seasoning powder.
Maybe I need
Maybe I know for anyway. Tasty Tom new seasoning powder. Flavor and taste are fun. This advert is FDA approved.
Every child is so unique.
You like no other.
Outstanding in every way.
It's me like no other.
So anytime you walk and play,
You like no other.
you are special like Indomie.
It's me like no other.
Did you know that every child on the planet has their own unique fingerprint like no other?
You like no other. I can play the drums. I'm talented. It's me like no other. I can sing. I can dance. You like no other.
As well as their own unique talents and abilities.
I can cook. I can paint. You like no other. Indomie. It's you like no other.
So every day, in whatever you do, remember you are special in your own way, like no other.
Thank you, Mom, for letting me know I'm special and for making me my special Indomie. Thank you, Mommy. I love my Indomie.
This advert is FDA approved.
Hey, Junior. You're the shitter.
Remember shit that your mama made. For home
Hey, Charlie, you bring home Joe. Nah, no bring home. So just stop.
to school with Kenke. It's here, come chop today.
Enjoy homemade taste of Shito, always with Didi Shito.
Stop taking all the shit on now.
Carefully selected ingredients, no preservatives, no colorants. Didi Shito, if you need. This advert is FDA approved.
Wait, your tomato mix. Wouldn't so one on pass. Loud with tomato flavor no. No color changing like traffic light. They cocoa come on.
Tasty Tom dear, it will surely give you value for money. This steak and little is enough to get our desired quantity of stew and soup.
Taste no so dear. On point. Flavor near.
And it doesn't color your meat or chicken. I don't compromise on the quality of my food. Use Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. This advert is FDA approved.
Welcome back. We've been having a very beautiful conversation with my brother Emmanuel Ajimai Bedu, and all of this has become possible because of our sponsors, Hisense, everyday prizes for everyday people, Malta Guinness, Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix, Tasty Tom seasoning to Indomie. Very big thank you to you, to my glam team, ABS Lax Line. Thank you very much. To Nudge Beauty, to Stanners Beauty located on the Boundary Road, and of course to the Sousa Catering Services. Baby, I heard you know them I found me more to I bribe it me I found much. Because come on no. Yeah, because question I me baby sound.
I said me no more to answer.
Oh, so no more. And you be soon free, you be free one me who. And your cheers.
Yes.
Aha. More tia wanu me. No kwa na oba beka.
Now dem me wano.
Oh, wano. Ni PH wa. It's a under 20 World Cup. Young men. Amosisiso. Mo seniors akwa. Ye muso. Na Emrantie. Mako to represent Ghana. Moko no. na suro kakra wo because teams bi wo ho na ye ka say woni omo boa na wa ba mu abu mencho teams ni bi Argentina, Brazil, England, Spain, Italy kra mo she hopa teams bi wo ho a France what to say ono mo she say hey wait me nko say kwa na me nko pe me fufuo bi ndi na Modru ha mo share group stages. Omo amoni omo bebo. I am share kakra bare.
I am share ama because of nyama na medical kan no na most of the guys so na professionals be brewum because you be kono na than opare assign na Real Madrid.
Okay.
Madrid dey Olympic Marseille. Inkum ebo Switzerland.
As a most more bogus kakra with.
So bogus ni bi na say kwa bogan so me so meter the youth organizer
say kwa kum kotoko also o share chi ho be
until we had some professional players here or more experience ye be kono so na ye so o ma frɛ o blaster kakra ama woni Suleiman Tare my Ecclesia Samoa Jan John Mensah John Pencil Olele Kingston Lai Kingston Derek Watson ma bobo kakra na wu be edu
na boost moral
until Yakoya your first new group with England.
Hey, team na beka no.
Na what's the media mentor the obi anim the whole world my Ecclesian. Me started football ni na ono na me hwe no ne sa nema no nti ye be bo no me frɛ no match bia na me frɛ no na wa mama advice e wo nema
no no na onini momo
because that time no Chelsea. Yes. Ono ka chem say Ajman England for no omo boy bi e fene twumasi o free Chelsea junior team
na Ghana ni
akra Ghana ni but obo England and the
England na mu ntwa ne to ma
say mitimi mia no pe omo team no e be emre 20 minutes no ma yina free game no
anti bra Mike na yi omo maye
we men kan ba bia da
bra Mike na yi omo maye
sa ne ba ne ba
o sa wo shine
ne ba o person ne ba shine because guy no oye sis ni mu edu fucking
o sa slippery ones ni bi
on midfield no on hold on midfield no he win ball recovery on the grass obe win it he's very quick he's good passer of the ball and osan wa height nti so obuli midfield na that means
acquire them
nti na ese me fa kwan bi so say me yi na film quick
and then na be gota
nti ba bia me free no me mia na nti me nya na ba ko won ankle okọ nche oba Potietia wantima mabiem any take team no any show 4-0
England
4-0 we pe
and I'm say
but ye koya na ye bedru finals I Brazil.
I watched that match Mekai me share no freshes e was easily gone.
Oh, okay.
Obia pake ne ka no mountain giant screen. Hey, mo penalties no. Ma maybe so eno ye froze akoba na feeling that to say
medru osisia enti ye free man ye kodu finals aja Brazil almost groups no more show
yeah
more Texera Douglas Costa akobo ba me ne Christian akobo Juventus kra place ye no kru omo ne edu ona day before match ye hwe omo clips hwe bo amobo wait and hwe player we nim na we
morako
o chena soldier for beboye bra be brown but ye wie no na ye committee na ye ne dede ne ye ni players in the command say guys ye bo match we wia and the 20 ye nyina yatra e die na ye say ejema oman no oman na omode omota space money e na e boy nka no die na ye say ye masa oman no ye free from wafu agi Africa from group stages ye lusu match bia abedu finals. I don't think say everyone African soil so no. I say a man crop be fa cap. Why you be fa so agi cap no?
About Ghana be in Africa.
And I dey call them. They are called fire lunch. They are called kakra. They are relaxing. You go have a match meeting in the area near call dressing room. But I call no me na me hard you come. We late ya na matiuska. Yeah, I saw that 9 o'clock. Na me so na corridor ho na matiuska.
You bully pa.
There be we are near the akoye adoye and na bi obi babe there near the to ade man. That was how the camp was. Nti ya be opportunities na omo ka chere me dey short na menimbo. Was the me your short pa. Nti opportunities ma me ko gina ho. And I'm so me the individual awards is very good but collective you know aya hia me pa nti ni obebo a ye be se bia no. Say ko gina montin a ye nyimi mfim se manje cap ne bi meka ho. Nti I don't have any problem. TIA match meeting we at the selection na ba akache say in case fandas
o short so dey na ehu
as a margin unim say was if me o say akrantie short
o say
Maria akrantie o say kwa me bo short go keep anti no says ene penalty si dey say edru ha there will be a game ti ya bo 90 minutes 27 minutes and 37 minutes any dey red card na ya nye changes nti omo redraw me ne review kakra na ebo 4 and 6 boom mo yire ya na 90 minutes go ama and e call extra time 30 minutes ya yire ya go ama abedru penalties no sami de yiri kan ma me woni wo
o mbo bi ni pastor so beba na yi na free mu
ene yi adi ya dabi dede you Jonathan Mensah ade inkum na am say dia o say obi sisi dia akohyehe so omobo na ye share na omo share ene ye share na ye share biem ene ye kosen no
na mo so be say no
ene omo say no ene ye sen biem ti ye say omo no hye na omo wini ene omo so ebo twetwe ye
that penalties no hey I'll never forget
ena adia ekobo share ene omo nipa share ene ye bo share ene omo nipa bo share no nti ye say ekobo last one na say yetimi sha ya jeka no na aka yemu 4 pe na aka me opuku ajeman ena David Daddy ena bia ye goalkeeper no so ono so person oba ba won say was center side on the goalkeeper no won on nti ntimi asignan no nti mi bisa opoku say obebo ana o se hwe penalty we da me tell you David anim on the body language no bisa question crowd we obebo me tell you am say dey o say hey
which you rough
me ba on yama ne ma ti me tiwa ena inkum si ase so mo ma kobo me enko anya good tournament kobo bo ne hye me enko na me ko niam mienu ne ekoso meeting shena gidi nya nimonyam ana se na oduru afa oye kose kwa na oye na ofa no hu tama obi fra krase obi du kumasi obi du sua obi du se kwa no
do be di wata for basu
but me feel say oh baby my career na kudru no I have played with the likes of Mike Lesia no my ball friendly matches my ball qualifiers what do I fear again bibia ne obi
never since
me ma me ho vimo by na me team me found to left here na right but near me ade ho say e bo penalty kicks here
o steady keeper
Mr. Di goalkeeper no because me nim say bibia betimasi enti ma hwe no ahu say
the weakness
na left side o because goalkeepers na ebi target say obekọ 3 or right no akọ 2 or left ebi target say okay 5 ni nyina mekọ left ebi target say ebi a obeche no 1-1 okọ abakọ no akọ abakọ nti say one tra ho reading na one we obey mistake nti me di ball no kọ ho no na me kọ machi oye ni sase na ise po na aye ma me se ayaka
me dey fine
me mo short ana nti me kọ ni nyana madwen am say ma me punch ball no oche no kora na at least mabọ ni yi this is me nanti ko ni nyina me du aye na bibia me say me say me ngina kakra me say me ye say na ma say wakọ right yo o tani say ya wa lucky o ntimi ma back and am say we short to be anim
me money boko
ana me bofa fam boko ade say ma romata ade me say me na mi o say him fa na me ko am say after 120 minutes of football am abre no me say tum ni kwakra say obi a onya mbobo but it was lovely because when wins like this comes here like you know the emotional side the agro side no bibia won bi nti ye ji ani ba
obo short Ebianca Asembayo
Ebianca
I think Black Stars ye yiwo Wakasu
ye boss wo afa na boni din
so on is seen enter me then
short for ni na esi ni ano.
More trewe. Mo say mo nya ball wo mfimfin kra what e chance mo short in enko. Because it's deadly.
Yeah. That's true.
And a special technique be an answer.
A technique. Me free.
And I say me na small shada nya 10 cents. What say me a?
Some wasem.
Me say mo shada nya 10 cents. Man kasa me watch e. Me say what say me a? Ye nya 10 cents.
That yes. Oh say when it comes to short no a technique. Ena baby I say odibo. Ena hanga na ball no. E wono so hia. Ena ball no okwa I say obene kakra. Wo say ya. Se opeja wo mu aball no be peja. Ba wo kon mu kakra bia. Ena say na misi ka no. E depend baby aball no obi wo ho a. E say nine no bobo na e say suspend o nine no. Na power ni nyina eni bo na chi. Ebi wo na mu wa e say oto ene o nine ni nyina afra. The first na me wo punch pa but na me ni target.
What to turn by heart.
Nti yako camp a me bo a na menya ba na sule ni Michael Esia na John Penton gina me so no memmo menye ni sei nti ye pon train na ebia olele ma me 5 minutes na no wagina po no na me bo na sule che me se no me nyusu ha e wo angle a menye sa nti graduate na aba fa ma me
no if you point out
I feel say dey ba bia me gina bia me bo na se goalkeeper na be fa kora na
obreka
kra. So that is the technical side of ABS shooting, the position of the ball or body positioning, very key to it. And I said, me target say punch no me bo. Say one no cry ya next time the back come to her on bed dodge.
Say I thought that keeper na ultimate chibon no asen agem.
No asen agem. E bi wo ho. Wo bet ma target say bo sinanim. Won say sinanim a ontimi nchi no. Nti oponche ana other players no I come for rebound. No matter what. So it depends on where the position of the ball and I said but it needs a lot of thinking and quality pa so usua ho enema.
We hear ho pitch any fie nyansa.
Yeah.
See, tomoche tournament. Na feeling it to say.
What's the message? Hey.
We down through it.
Me point ya that time there by addressing we on many ministers the president first atana ya papa atamels and our president and of no congratulate you say on betwa here airport and they go back to hotel no but you do hotel and who say cap na nya Ghana for nko ade a Africa nyina dia because 80,000 seater capacity no and for say Brazil for no other for no more South America for no crowd ha o mu 2,000 o mo amaka ni nya Africans and almost support here the Egyptians, Algerians,
and that's one thing. On say Africa, you were akoko for ni wo tuntum. But say yes, baby Africa, ye nyina say ne ye see eba together no e ya na efe.
Tie ba any following day na ye boaboa ye ho na. Ye ba airport. So we must GS. So na ye be drew Ghana dear sister.
JJ.
Me who say me say aka no. Obeji of so no mo ko J M Plaza Hotel for 3 days my
mo jojo mo
juju ye ho ze dia na yakọchia president na Ivory Coast president afre say yemfa cap no mechia no the cap no call fat envelope no mo dia mai ni aba na president that time no che cars no
so ma nyina cars yeah
nti omo di UJC number in the register car no nti and the 20 team they find satellite.
Okay.
Nti me she AJC nti ombe satellite 8 they she 10 satellite 10 this ana no mu dey register obi ade e no mu bi investment ayi bi my insurance package my so it was lovely ye wie me am free brown half no ahemfo no so mo brown half go so my hene e free me mama asase wo me am papa na naji my badu o se ade yo the second e wo do ma o free me o she me animonyam na da me ko me krum se kwade
e chan carnival
me papa general said in ketia ena be chia me omo ne ahemfo no says me ko niam omo de ache me krum one de em se ba nya me nko am se me ada police no for so am se ahemfo bi etwa apart from that enya contract bebre e ho na me free na me de ko Udinese but na pese me bo Olympic Lyon because of once my class in Olympic Lyon, and I want to have that kind of but then I'm the buy and I'm say agent no antimanya quick. And a Udinese for by Udinese so once and Stephen Appiah Sule Muntari Asamoah Gyan Kwadwo Asamoah. So it looked like a blessing club for African footballers, especially Ghana footballers. And the only offer nearby na many mpanyinfo kasa no kwahye me so ebeboa me. And I'm the co-Italy joining Udinese.
International.
No, be international player.
International, no.
Me 10 years old.
Da omo ebo sika omo de ma eso no. Omo ye o say.
I just say Oko Bridge no quite transit to Libya. No the Euro Spain and Italy. It was very good money. Coming from Brekum Masnas with the kind of salary I war to Asante Kotoko and Tiabe plus even 200. How do you compare me salary na Ohana? A bear plus even 200. So I was not concentrating on offer now my demand that day no. Scano and on Kwana Media and coming to me more brana after football into me sustain me. And Timmy Pese and the money we are me born on sign costro. Either say on Tom Yana on best some contract and mammy. Said we are they be an Osicano a costro. Now with him the abobra because there can't be life after football. Eddie Crasse Tama Obon. So Obon do uncle foot yoka. Well, Jai Bonoff will be to Uncle Walker, a bit to Yanima Bibre. How are you going to survive on that? And see. First 2 years now, I'm a modern page more. And almost the same contract. So I have an improved contract. And I'm saying with national team tia ba ya boy minyaka kra o ha me come back. Must I me wo ho na qualify for Europa League and I Champions League playoff. No more year from na team bia ba almost mon tell me. Okay, mon tell me there. Mo ma me improve contract. Every year bia na me sesa me contract with Dennis. Because they say they are not ready to sell me. Time I'm person mo tell me no so scan so a clubs and they ba no. Almost see isamo. Nti ma me di 9 years old. Na me be even third captain of the team no class second captain. Ti every one am catch almost say match. Aka 1 year me contract e was so. Nti me person me have a different experience e will baby. And I'm ti ase na me call Turkey. Bursaspor. Me could do 1 year and I'm signed reverted back to Italy and I'm joining Hellas Verona. Until my contract no equal sign, maybe a Hellas and I'm contract sign. And I mean ya deal with China, Chendao. But me do on as time the COVID no. It won't pa no until paperwork no visa no me could do Dubai 1 month war mopane no. Oh, Timmy could do an almost quarantine for 1 month. No. TV na ka be 6-7 matches na league na kwa wie but na alone there timi bo wie na me ba fie me ba ye no na me hu say o at least in active football for more than 15 years 16 years there and I'm bo Olympics kakra na me pesa I want to have this kind of relationship with the Ghana footballers no how if things have changed the time not now if you want me jai Olympics and I'm sure let me enter into different side of the game and I'm talent identification courses, how to identify talent for teams, national teams, and I'm saying analysis in sports. Maybe a TV show analysis now, national teams, and I'm going I'm cross certificate. And says I'm saying yeah, my GF, I'm saying what Adriana Stars. And that's what but that's it.
Now, say a World Cup, how do you see our team? Are we ready? Because you're best in England.
Yeah. You're in England abo. Wembley Park na England no. Omu bie pitch no. Ghana no mo frame me could be a pitch no. Sama chen me Bobby. And no na Samoa Gyan share go on the 90th minute. 1-1. That no more Rooney in his players no. Until since them no say no more should them more friendly match. But they know Ghana because of most of the players know some EPL until they know. Generations are need the kind of players and a name we share. Until Ghana obianim ya hodin ya World Cup we can win say FIFA say 4-4. The only World Cup man could be a Russia there no and a team. 2022 near Qatar. Say group stages in the film African Cup and man qualify. The boys came back very strongly and qualify for World Cup. No. Some catch say you're ready now. You started tournament and preparation no egusu koso. We are on the path of getting ready. But maybe 5 days or a week before the tournament, you will see that the team is ready because now players need now on club side there. More bobo. A binum person or qualify for Champions League. A binum person qualify for Europa League. A binum so teams echo relegation to almost as one as a bin na yakasa or teams is so echo relegation now. He needs to come home, get to 1-2 weeks, be non and release a bit of stress and the tension a woman auntie. We are getting ready. Your assistant, your coach, a new one now, about 40 days to tournament. He have a lot of work to do. He cannot change a lot. He can only build on it. He will build on it. No, use the managerial and experience to get the best out of the guys. Until we are in the process of getting ready. But I think with new coach, baby or the my share, the only if you follow no. I'm very optimistic, say. Maybe from 15th of June and 10th of June, we are preparing for our first game now. Now the team is ready. You are losing some players, which will affect us a bit because this kind of tournament, you need all your quality players. Unfortunately, Kudus, a bit my diamond saying, and a player like Caliban, or match my players too, Crano, almost when they say on so he add something to your team. Inaki Williams of injury back, if you know, or recover or pick it up. Salisu, one of our best defenders here, Norway team, he was getting better because no champions they won a club. What he ACL, he is out of the tournament. Until we lose some quality players with team no man. A new man, I think was starting Olympic Lyon and also a free injury. Until we have some experienced players be a lose some kakra. Young ones, most of them need too much of experience. But experience also fun away. This is the kind of tournament I for experience. Players no no mobile approach no. Omo no moko shi omo ha. So enye say hu bibo omo. The only thing they need to know is say our gallant supporters are very demanding. That one, you cannot do anything about it. It's everybody a football nation. Coach. 33 million coaches. Unimba or Winimpe. Taxpayers' money, and on the ticket amount. To move, say, yeah, there were clubs. I didn't ever and they are very demanding, which every footballer be up so national team like Ghana, you need to know. For now, I'm very optimistic. The guys know. When you go out there, play well, fight for the badge, struggle, do everything, and you lose, the supporters will appreciate you.
So, Bonnie Domo Bopa
and Konanguyi. But so, no more who say, I don't know, club would two me can all fighting, ye chow when it 80, still over her. One person be bonus area, Never can say, if you are not ready for that one, stay at home. Because the pressure will come. If you cannot soak the pressure,
don't come.
Where we are going, we need players with character, confidence,
tough skin.
They need to fight for everything. Into the airborne national anthem now, badge and now don't start to
yeah.
HRS, you are representing more than 35 million people. So we are footballer. Me de be and am de shame hu kran. Me pese president be frame me. Me ma me be frame me. Me manager frame me shame kran. Ne me de shame hu kran ne say. Ye 35 million people. Ye ni footballers kran the whole we say be over 3 million.
Yeah.
Says footballers 3 million. Say you 23. Na me ka ho. Ne yi mu 11. Na me say ka ho say me ko boba. Me hear me ma me say offer me e ma me confidence. I don't need anyone. That crown I'm a confidence. Men kona me koyere me ho. Se coach bia kosua ne coaching. O man the team national sa. No wanya gidi ama o say, "Ubetima ye adwuma ma no." Na akọ park no so. E say okogu coach ni animase ana. If you now money coach near Jumani ministry now money coaches near Juman, Omunia did my place 26 year monko on my name. Mokwa, I say Mokogu Monimasi said Omedi GF4 ministry and our coach is not a man. There be as a boys no, or Moko, no monko fight it. O fight TV, no mulusua. Supporters on Bebo Munsam. Mo fight you no Mokumanima, on Beshamo Nimunam. O corner Koya, or China Raman Rebetoa. Supporter no, Unya Wednesday.
Onya bi.
Man City
before
of our home.
It's a sign of the Kaya Wintia.
Who can they meet you? And see, born there, the team will be ready. We have some experienced players on about 2022 World Cup. And I'm very optimistic, sir, with the managerial skills of the coach, the experience, and the only African terrain. We will support him. I mean, say team no. From time going, you know. You from the friendly matches. You both we are. You be I want I could do before the tournament starts.
Okay. Manyan into yes, so say I said more the 3 local players be team no. And manyan into say on say me medman ko wedma. Ampa.
And now make a say the coach in fire listening, you know. Oh, me that say. Oh, you name it.
Wo be yeduma. On fan ko answer.
My auntie, yes, say, coach no listening my, but we're fresh from local places because we moko match for Mexico.
Okay.
Says, near bit my aunt, yeah, the Casa radio so local players you, a more chance you. Me man no na meet him the Casa.
And na wo free say kwa ba brekum me ba kuma se ne international.
Enti near bit my kai ya kwa park no show your talent for the media, the supporters, and the coach. Convince you no found.
It's that simple.
Very simple.
Ima, I'm sure. Pacho, the kita we. Me be kind SC10. Me kind SC10 and do what tibia ye wodia.
Nti o kind na metete.
Me kind na wo tete. Do I ready? Battle back. Okay, nyanti. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One thing in that. We can was say 1, 1.
I can 5. Mami can you mark?
1.
2. Camera mom 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Whoa,
11
is the highest
on
the show. What a teacher will be is the highest. I just saw a football Ima.
By 1 no crown no kind in temp. 1, 2, 3. Who's a meeting?
I know.
Sis.
Obian 10 ro 10 down. What to 14? We are the highest. I said Michelle Abreu 1 award. Tasty Tom award.
Medical.
Madam
will be in the car with a graph. Accra. What the kind of man and Okoy. Additional friends say, Ujafu, na Unipa Omi and Danas. Or say na additional Nagrasses, I know I didn't kind
A very big thank you to our sponsors, Hisense, everyday prizes for everyday people. Tasty Tom Enriched Tomato Mix. Big thank you to Tasty Tom Seasoning, to Indomie. Yes, our mini-me, yes. So if you're out there, grab yourself your Indomie. It's quick to make, it's easy on your pocket, it is nutritious. And always remember that anytime you go out to buy a Malta Guinness, you're not just buying a drink, but you're buying to support Ghana, because it is proudly made in Ghana, and Malta Guinness is employing a lot of people, because if you go to the factory, all the staff there are 80 to 90% Ghanaians. So we are actually adding to the economical growth of this country. We're providing jobs for the youth. So you're not just buying a drink, but you are adding up to help make Ghana a better place. And always remember, when you're buying your Malta Guinness, look out for the Made in Ghana logo on your can. Made in Ghana logo. And Malta Guinness is rich in B vitamins. A very big thank you to my glam team, ABS Lux Lines, Isuza Catering Services. Thank you for refreshing us all the time. To Tinaj Beauty, Standards Beauty, located on the Boundary Road, East Legon. Thank you. And to Hair Duties, thank you very much for my hair. It has been an insightful conversation. And as Ghanaians, I know we are all excited for this year's World Cup. Yes, so Canada, USA, Ghana, we are coming and we know our guys are going to make us proud. Always do remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. See you next week.